Hello, I'm Ruthann Godollei. I teach printmaking at McAllister College. I've been asked to make a video to show you the kinds of things art professors have been doing while we're on stay-at-home orders in our state. Today I'm making a letterpress relief print. So, wood carving is really old. Printing from wood, called relief printing, goes in almost every culture that has a wood carving tradition. Making the wood blocks that you carve into letter forms might go back to ancient China in the 11th century. Korea also has a good claim to making what's called movable type, where you can take letter blocks, carve the relief surface, meaning the top, leaving a inkable surface on the top, and being able to saw up the letters and reconfigure them into the words that you want to say. So, the relief surface, the top, is left alone while we carve the subsurface, leaving this area to be inked and then transferred, in our case via a press, onto a piece of paper. So I assembled a bunch of letters in my press. This is called a letterpress. And I'm going to ink them up. This is my slab of ink over here, and I'm rolling the ink out with a roller called a brayer. Now I'm inking the relief surface of the letters. Of course, the Europeans thought Gutenberg invented this hundreds of years later, but in any case, we really like these processes, and we think they make beautiful things, so we want to keep them alive. This is the kind of thing you might learn in a class with me. So, they're kind of big letters. I might go to the slab a few more times, or at least one more time, to really make sure it's inked up right. Now I'm going to get a piece of paper. I'm placing it in the gripper strips of this press so that they'll stay in place securely. This top roller transfers pressure through the paper onto the relief surface of the inked letters, and the ink will offset onto the paper. Flipping the roller this way means it's lifted up, so it won't double print the letters. Let's see what we got. Here's my message to you. Stay safe.